Hello everyone, this is David and you are watching DGR Family. If this is your first time here and you want to become a successful engineer, then start now by subscribing my channel and pressing the like button so that you will not miss any information from my side. I encourage a young engineer to become a successful engineer or leader. About myself, I am graduated in engineering 5 years ago from Authorized University in Tamil Nadu. After that, I associated engineering students from last 3 years. That is all my professional information. Now I am making a community called as DGR Family for you guys. What I do this community, I will help, support, guide and educate an engineering students on the concept that they miss out in their engineering classes with interesting manner. We have started the channel mainly for both chemical and petrochemical engineers because there is lack of ample information present on their website about GATE or other exams like BAR, HPCL, CPCL, NRL, FACT and TNPSC for both chemical and petrochemical engineers. We provide videos on core subjects of both chemical and petrochemical engineering like process calculation, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, mechanical operations, heat transfer, mass transfer, reaction engineering, process control, economics, design, chemical technology, and etc. The videos are about solving representative problems are taken undergraduate level on key aspects. The problems are taken from past GATE exam question paper and from standard books. I believe in making content informative with the answers to all the questions, so this platform will help us to grow and learn together. This journey helps me and you as well to understand the subjects in depth. So stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on bell icon to receive notification as soon as new video is published. Thanks for watching.